Hello, welcome back again everyone on our today's topic. If you have listened or watched my last video here, I clarified on the last video why when you view your CCTV system on your mobile phone, why that doesn't make your system an IP system. And I went ahead to explain further what makes CCTV to become an IP system. Then on that video, I expatiate further and as well told you that on my next video, I will discuss how we can connect analog CCTV to work together with IP camera system. You know, on your analog CCTV, be it a HD camera, AHD, TVI, CVI, or any of those cameras, there are many of them out there. Those cameras runs on coaxial cable, right? And they are being connected from the camera to the DVR with what is called BNC head, right? So now, but that will not work with IP camera system. So, but there is a way to get that to work. So if you are upgrading your system from analog to IP, you don't have to do away with your old cameras and the cables so far as those cameras are still working good, except if they are old or archaic cameras that the resolutions and whatsoever in between them is not working properly and is no more giving you what you need, right? So you don't have to throw those cameras away. You have to use what is called encoder or video server, right? So now I'm going to show you what it looks like. There are many of them, and the one I'm gonna show you here today comes from AXIS, right? So there are a lot of connections, lot of loads and loads of connections that goes within it. So on the next picture that just appeared on your screen now, you can see we have some analog cameras by the left hand side, right? Dome camera and the bullet cameras on the left hand side. You can see in between both of them there are AXIS video encoders, right? Video encoders. So your cameras will now, your analog cameras will now connect with BNC head to those encoders, and those encoders will now connect with a network cable now that will now run direct to your video management system, your VMS computer or your MVR, whichever one you are using. Then can then from there be connected to internet and you can view it remotely. So with this encoder, this encoder helps you. This encoder helps you not to do away with your old CCTV cameras, so that with this encoder you can now, it will now convert the analog video to a digital video and then transport it in form of IP. So your system will now recognize the whole cameras as an IP camera instead of seeing those one as analog, and it will not pick them up. So here in this presentation, I have 3 different types of encoders. All come from AXIS because honestly, I tell you, I so much like AXIS products. As time goes on, I will show you why AXIS product, why I prefer it, because on their video design system. They have a software that you can design your system and it will give you exactly what you need. The type of cameras on a different environment in different kinds. So don't worry, when I get there, I will explain to you how and why X6 is the best camera. Then Hikvision is good, the Hoa is good, and so many of them out there, but I so much like Axis for reason I will explain to you later. Maybe not in this presentation, but or maybe on another presentation coming. So now I will take you to this encoder so that I can be able to open them up, show you some certain things, and then we will close the video for today, because this video today is not gonna be a long one. So let's go there. Sorry, you may not be hearing my voice because my microphone is there. So this is X6 encoder, right? And this is where you put your Ethernet cable, and here is where you socket your cameras. So this one have got intake of 4 analog CCTV, and you can plug in here with some other settings inside there. And this one has got just one camera, right? And here you have your internet port, and here you have some indicators that shows you what's going on or what is happening there. So sorry if you don't hear me, I will try to shout, but so you can hear me. But here again, I have a very powerful one, because you have this one, it's like the ones you put in the rack. When you look at this, you see how powerful this one is, because this comes from Axis as well. And this can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 intakes of analog cameras that you can convert to IP camera using this powerful encoder. So all the students that pass through our academy, this is what they learn, and this is what you will never learn from any other place. People that train people how to install cameras. So now, let's go out there and I will explain more on this. So I'm really gonna be very sorry if you don't hear me or hear what I was saying when I was touching those devices. But those devices are really cool. They are what will make your camera, your analog camera, to come into your IP system so that your system will recognize them as an IP camera. It's nothing much on the connections. Connections are very easy. So, and all the students that have passed through our academy, whether on CCTV or on access control, fire alarm, burglar alarms, here they learn things you don't learn anywhere. So for today, this video is gonna be short, and don't forget that this is EIS Technologies Academy, and we are open for any questions, installation and maintenance, training on everything. So we install solar, we install CCTV, we install access control, and we do this with international standards, because there are things you have to consider first before you venture into the installation in the first place. So today, I believe I have been able to expatiate or tell us how to migrate analog cameras to IP cameras. So when next time you want to change your cameras to an IP, I urge you to not do away with the old cameras. Just get an encoder, and with an encoder, you'll be able to do all this without any problem at all. So upgrading analog CCTV camera to IP camera is very easy, and I believe this video has been able to explain a little bit how you can migrate your system from analog to IP, and some other things we will have to be discussing here in the further video that is coming. So keep eye on my page and subscribe to my YouTube channel as we discuss further. As we discuss further, we get people involved, ask people questions, we answer your question, and we come live. The way you are seeing me now is the way you will see me live very soon on Facebook and on Twitter. So there's nothing stopping us from coming live while doing this, but there are some reasons to that, and that you will soon find out. So let's go now, and I will see you again in the next video. Don't go away. And lastly, I still remain Ezenwa Chukwemeka Anazudu. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to see further things we do here at EIS Technologies Academy, go to our website at www.eisacademy.online. Or you want to see our full website, you go to executive-intel.com. I will see you on the next video. We will bring you a nice package and something interesting you will like to listen to. Thank you, and bye for now.